Hello everyone. I hope you all people are safe with all your respective family members, and I hope you people are not wasting your time. Students, before June, we were expecting regular classes from July, face to face classes in school, and the arrangements of online classes which we did in the previous like before this June, so we did accordingly just an adjustment till this lockdown situations, but we were not expecting that this COVID-19 will continuously move on in the coming month also, though the lockdown is almost over for all but not for school, because school are the places, basically schools are those places where easily this can be spread in a community level. So we can't take that risk because we are still at a risk. We are not free from that still. So that is why for schools especially the lockdown extended, and we are again back with these face to face online classes only. So students, it's a new experience for you people also, for us also, but still we are doing well as much as we can. You people are the freshers in class 11th, and Pratibha ma'am was teaching you in the month of April and May, I think. So whatever chapter she has completed, I asked her, and whatever chapter she has completed, I'm expecting that you all must have done in your notebooks also. I also told her, and I'm telling to you people also, there will be 2 notebooks, because now I'm dealing with only my own section, that is 11th A2 bio. So I'll be responsible for this bio section only. I'm repeating my all the points again, and the points are, there will be 2 notebooks for English subject. One notebook will be called reader notebook, and second notebook will be called writing section notebook, along with a grammar part also. Clear? As per the grammar part or writing section is concerned, that at present we are keeping aside, because grammar part is almost 100% is completed in up to class 10th, and in class 11th we are having in a revision mode. We can give you in a revision mode of that. And as per writing section is concerned, so time to time whenever we will find the things suitable, we will let you know that part also. Let's see how much it is extending, so accordingly we will let you know. Clear, students? As per I have the knowledge, if I talk about, I asked to ma'am also, and I came to know that your first 3 chapters of flamingos are completed. That was the first chapter, was the last lesson, the second was the lost spring, the third was the deep water. I hope you all must have completed all these 3 chapters in your notebooks also. One notebook only. And one more thing, generally students are habitual to part their notebook is in 2 parts, single notebook in 2 parts. That also you are not going to do. One notebook, no need to part. Whenever whichever chapter will come from whichever book, keep on doing without leaving even a single gap also, line gap also, page gap also. Students are habitual to leave one line gap to put on vistas and flamingo. No need to mention nothing, just name of the chapter, date, chapter number, and then you continue. That was, there is no gap, nothing should be there. So students, don't divide your notebook also in 2 parts. Start with, you all must have started as the ma'am must have taught you. You must have started with the last lesson, then the lost spring, or that the deep water, the tiger king, and I think 2 poems she taught you, that is my mother at 66 and the elementary classroom slum. I think these 3 here, 1 there, 4 chapters and 2 poems. According to Pratibha ma'am, she has completed, and I hope you all have done also. So students, now the class, the particular class, even I was also not knowing that which section I am going to have in this session. So now in the month of July, I came to know that I am having the section A2, 11th A2. So I got that section now. So students, we are beginning now with this, with you. Now we are beginning with this. But before I start anything else, students, let me make 1 or 2 things very clear to you. Students, first of all, attentiveness is the most important part which I needed from all of you. That is the most important part, because in this pandemic situation, you know very well that these Flamingo and Vistas are class 12th books, which we are beginning in the very class 11. So don't keep this in mind that in class 12th we will reteach you again. No way. And for teaching in class you have to pass class 11, and for passing class 11th you have to go through with all these chapters which either are taught or I will teach you through these online classes only. Clear? So dedication and discipline, these are the two things which are entirely needed to understand. Doesn't matter we are teaching you online, this is the way, or we are having face-to-face classes, that is the way. That is totally up to you. But the thing is this, you have to go through the things in a very minute manner. Attentively and smartly you people have to work. Clear, students? So what I just wanted to tell you here is basically through this video, today is the very first day and I'm not going to begin chapter today. Today just an intro part, and I'll be just having a look in your WhatsApp group. Narula sir has added me, your class teacher. I'll be having a look how many students are there, and accordingly we will make you understand how many views I want in my video. That also I want, how many views I have in the video, because according to that number all the views I want, and whosoever will not be, I'll be calling you then accordingly. So be attentive and accordingly watch all the videos. I hope you all must have purchased even books also and notebooks also. So students, whatever the syllabus are completed, have a revision of that. And because from tomorrow we are going to start the chapter 4th, the rat trap, which was written by Selma Lagerlof in your book Flamingo. So it's my way of teaching. Whenever I teach a new thing, I used to give in advance students a thorough reading yourself. Whether you understand the chapter or not, that is a different thing. Otherwise, para wise para, we will continue the chapter. Don't worry, that is my part. But before beginning that para wise para, I want you people to be attentively have a thorough reading of that chapter by your own way, so that you will get head and tail of that chapter at least. So when tomorrow I'll let you know the summary of the chapter, so you will not sit with empty head. You will have some head and tail of that chapter because you must have read it before or in advance. So you will be having an idea ki yes, I can get this or I can get that or whatever is there, or you will link your own reading with my explanation or with my narration of the summary. So that will be, and then only students you will take interest also when you will be having something in your mind regarding the story. So that is why needed. One more thing, students, because I don't know variety of student in your section, but students, if you find any problem in English to English narration, then you please don't forget to write in the comment box ki ma'am please make us understand in Hindi also. Clear? If you will not give me any comment, so I will continue with English to English, because it's an English class 11th it is, so I will go with English to English. But our main motto behind teaching you is to make you understand first in a very proper manner. So I can be bilingual also with you. Something I'll mix with Hindi also and English also mix up, but it will be at your request. So if you will request me, after watching this video, go through this video first, take your experience, and after that if you find that I should be bilingual with you while teaching, because that is the first time I'm taking your class. So if you have any queries regarding, or you want me to make you explain a bit in Hindi also in between, or if you are okay with English to English, that is up to you. Totally it's up to you. Clear? So do write me on that, because after watching the views of this video, then only I will go with the Hindi also with the next day. So accordingly you go through and let me know, and then I'll convert my videos accordingly as per your ease. Our motto behind to make you ease, to make you understand. So hoping so you are getting today's video. So from tomorrow be ready at that particular time. Timetable must have sent by your class teacher. At that time sit with your books, have a reading in advance, and tomorrow I'll narrate you the story, The Rat Trap, 4th chapter in Flamingo. So that's all for today. Stay safe, stay home. I'm your English teacher, Sangeeta Puri ma'am. Don't forget my name. I know you can't. So we will be having our regular classes from tomorrow. So that's all for today. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.